Thanks for joining us today for another edition of Trinity's Solutions Spotlight. Today we're going to look at AI forecasting. Let's get right into it. So here is our actual data, historical data starting from October 2022 all the way through February 2025. And we're going to run a forecasting model against this using AI. Behind the scenes, I just kicked off the model, and it says it's ready to display the information. And we've asked the model to project the next 12 months based on this data. So let's take a look what that shows us now. And we can see there the next 12 months of forecasted data based on the history right there. As well as that, let's take a look down a little bit lower on this page. We've added that to a table we call forecasts, and we've summarized the data where we can see starting off with March 2025 on through February 2026, the actual forecast quantity that has been projected, okay, across that period of time. So you're going to see as we run the model multiple times that we're going to be able to track against that and see the differences. Now I'm going to load what we call the next round of actuals. So we're going to actually load 4 months worth of actuals into the model right now. And let's refresh that and take a look at that, what's happened. So now another 4 months have gone by, and we can see how we've mapped against that. You can see the forecast versus the actual. Pretty close, pretty good from a forecasting perspective, if we look at that. Now we're going to run the AI model again, a second time, to see what happens. Okay, that's run in the background. So let's take a look at that and ask it again to go out another 12 months. Okay, so from the current period of time. So take what's the history, the new history, the updated history from actuals, okay, and the forecast, and then project it forward another 12 months. Now we've stored that data in a separate record here, as you can see, going forward, separate records. We've actually put the actual for that period of time there, so we can compare it against what was forecasted. And then we can see here where the forecast going forward has been updated based on those actuals now, well, the full history plus those actuals. So you can see those trends that are going on and where the model's getting smarter, I guess you could say. The AI model is getting smarter because of what has occurred. And let's do that one more time. Let's go through one more round of that. I've just loaded in the round 3 of actuals, so another 4 months have passed. You can see again it's mapping pretty well with the forecast versus the actual there, another 4 months. And now we'll do the same thing. We're going to run the AI model one more time with the original data, the 8 months worth of new data here, 4 months one time, and then another 4 months. And let's see what that looks like now as we ask it to continue to project out another 12 months beyond that. So it's adjusting the formulas, adjusting that information. And we can see how each of those forecast models start to vary and adjust based on the new data that's come in. And there's even one that said, yeah, we're going to keep it the forecast model, the AI forecast model has said, you know, for that month, let's keep it exactly the same there. You can see some other differences there. So there's some AI forecasting within QuickBase, embedded into a QuickBase application, sending that data out to an AI model and then getting that back. If you'd like more information on that, please give us a call at Trinity. We'd love to discuss AI in more detail with you and how you could apply it to your business.